Design is the process of making ideas tangible in order to improve anything from the task at hand to changing how a whole government functions. And because of the impact that design can have on society, let's just think about how Tim Berners-Lee's World Wide Web has completely changed our working lives. The design process has been studied for centuries. In Roman times, architect Vitruvius wrote in his De Architectura that the human figure is a great example of proportion, which in turn inspired Leonardo da Vinci to draw his Vitruvian Man. Design sometimes imitates nature, whilst performing the science of the artificial. There are several schools of thought when studying design, and sometimes these terms are used interchangeably. Design theory draws on architectural and art theory, such as the work of Vitruvius, and the philosophically based aesthetics. Much research is done using mathematics, which is logical, given that there are many satisfying mathematical designs in nature. The golden ratio, fractals, rule of thirds, and Fibonacci's sequence. Sometimes design theory is viewed as the superset of design science and design thinking. Design science, or design research, studies the best way to understand, teach, and perform design while developing tools to support or automate design tasks. Design thinking often focuses on ambiguous problems, where success has no defined outcome. This approach is bigger than the design needed to create a deliverable, which can be judged as satisfactory by the client or customer. Design aesthetics is sometimes used interchangeably with commercial design as a way to produce aesthetically pleasing products in order to have a competitive advantage. Here we see how and why marketing has become inextricably linked to design, and the best example of this is Apple. Designer Dom Norman, who worked for Apple, has said that we are all designers, which is partially true, as everywhere we go, we design our spaces in our houses and at our desks. It's one thing to reorganize your bedroom, but it doesn't necessarily mean that we could all design a complex socio-technological system, like the ones, for example, which exist in hospitals, where patients, surgeons, consultants, nurses, and computer systems must all interact, schedule and record everything from consultations, booking surgery slots, courses of treatment, and follow-up appointments that make up a whole journey which may occur over many years. It does, however, mean, as architect Paul Grillo says in his book Form, Function and Design, that design is everybody's business. We live in it, we eat in it, we pray and play in it.